Hi guys, just a week 4 update of our Vineyard Road development. As you can see, we're getting there. Okay, mouth is getting a bit better, so they tend to recover quite quickly. Right, so let's walk in. The first room, the front reception room, is generally always the storage room. So this one has all the doors, frames are up, and toilet staying there. So this one, the ensuite is now in. As you can see, doors, frames are hung. Ceiling's a bit lower than what I'd like it to be. For example, I kind of get on here. I can see why it's been done. So what I've done is we've raised the shower tray up so that if there's any issues we can reach, you can get underneath it, and I can take the tray up and then fix any issue that needs fixing. The only problem with that is that this needs up here, for example, it's a bit short. I mean, let's say the shower come here. So I'm 6'4", I guess. Might be hooked up down here somewhere, so I guess, yeah, that should be okay. Where is the extractor fan? Oh, that's a good point. Where is the extractor fan? Oh. Okay. This is room 2, and I'm going to have a hunt for the extractor fan. So this is, this originally was the utility room with the boiler behind there. That's been warded off. That's the fuse box, so that's quite handy. And this is the shower room in here. And this one is a bit more ceiling there. And there's the extractor fan. And so you have a door here. Go in, have a shower, we hang your clothes here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put something here just to give the person a bit more privacy. The kitchen, pretty straightforward kitchen. Oh, sorry. And then upstairs is so the painting I started upstairs, the first coat, which is exciting to see. As soon as that's done, I'll get a week's notice, and I'll order the carpet, start getting the carpeting in. But this is sort of room 3. Yeah, room 3. Standard size room, not the biggest in the world, not the smallest. This is going to be the smallest one. This is exactly 10 meters square, I think, just over. Okay, painting's gone on, which looks a lot better. This is where all the rooms start to look a lot more modern. Door frames are up. There's a lot of light in this room, which is nice. It's actually not as big as it looks like in the camera. But, right there. And then you can see the back is because it's got 2 windows. And then bedroom, bed there. And then the painting hasn't quite started in this room yet. There you go. So yeah, the painting on the walls, I think they're done. Next week, I guess it's finishing off the bathrooms, and then doing all the walls, I think, throughout, and then just tidying up that kitchen to make sure that it's new and usable. And then I've got to order some furniture and the carpet. I think it should be done in about 2-3 weeks, I think. Alright, hopefully that's been helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.